Hey guys, it's me, Brooke, and my partner Lauren is behind me right now. So today we're gonna be doing the Not My Arms challenge. So let's get started. Okay, so first you want to grab your glue, which is to the right. That's my hands don't really know what they're doing right now. They're like, I'm gonna add the rest of it. The bowl is like right in front of me. And yeah, we're just gonna get in the camera view. Okay, we almost pulled it out of the bowl. There we go. My hands are really crazy today.
Especially because of this challenge.
Wait, you should add a little more. Yes.
Shush.
Shush arms.
Shush arms.
Okay, so okay, so I think this is good enough. Okay. Next, we're gonna just add a lot of our lotion, which we don't know where it is. Okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna add. No, it's not in the bowl. Okay. Just look for the bowl. There we go. Nothing's coming out. I'm just gonna help her out.
Whoa, Brooke has 4 hands.
Whoa, I have 4 hands. Oh my gosh. Now just grab, you gotta mix a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm making a huge mess. So, you gotta just mix. It's in the bowl. So, just mix it up. I'll tell you when to stop. I'll tell me when to stop. Okay, I think that's good. And then grab our shaving cream right here. Handy dandy shaving cream. It's harder than it looks. Yeah. Oh. Feel the nozzle to see where it is. Okay. And just squirt it in.
That's
okay. That's enough. So yeah. Okay, so we're just going to put our arms up, put them up more. There we go. So we're just mixing this right now. Yeah, let's just keep on mixing a little bit more. She just made a slime over there. I'm just gonna keep mine white for now.
Mine's a dark blue.
So we're just gonna show the camera here. Oops, hold it out. Just fell out. Then we're gonna add a little bit of our cherry blossom perfume body mist.
Oh my gosh.
Not in the bowl. Okay. So what? Now I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And now we're going to add our wax and water solution.
It doesn't have a nozzle, so be careful, Brooke.
And I can't see. And you can't see. That's good enough. So we'll now mix it.
Was that a lot?
A little bit, but it's a little bit more. So,
Guys, she's definitely not talking to her friend behind her.
I think I put a bit too much. I accidentally got a little bit on my fingers. Just I'll wipe it on the side of the bowl. I think I need a little bit more, so I'm just gonna add Stop.
Perfect.
That was pretty good. Myself.
Give me a pat on the back.
Okay, don't find me. I don't know. It's just a thing I do.
Okay, stop.
I don't
Stop,
think
self.
I poured any.
Stop, self.
I think we need to go pour some of that into the sink. Or into mine. Or into mine. Okay, so I think it's ready to knead. Take it off the spoon. There we go. Very messy. Okay, it's very cold. Messy and like white. Sticky. It's kind of sticky. We're just gonna keep kneading this until it's good enough for.
Oh my gosh.
It's good enough for us to for me to play with it a lot and make it non-sticky. And yeah, see when it's like really non-sticky, I guess. Let's go. Okay, so it's pretty good kneaded. Take the spoon out. So we're going to just mix it randomly with nothing in the bowl except for the slime. So let's show you guys some ASMR or something. So yeah, let's go. First, we're going to stretch it. It's a bit. It's a little bit like stiff, but that's okay. We can fix that. I can fix that. And let's poke it a little bit. Very satisfying. Let's try to make a bubble or something. Pretty good. That was a fail, but try again. 1, 2, 3. So another fail, so I guess it can't make bubbles. So we're just, oh my gosh, I'm getting it on my shirt. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now, oh my gosh, it's dripping a little bit. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you do, you'll be a member of my Brooksters squad. So, yeah, thanks for watching and bye guys.
Peace.
Peace.